Has this ever happened to you? Where you've put something in or somebody's put it in and it's just come off the wall? Today we're going to show you how to fix it and make it where it stays. The reason why this came out so easily is that these are the anchors that were used in the kit. And a lot of us, just when we get an anchor or buy a kit that has the anchors in it, we think, well, obviously that's the best choice. But you know, all this does is it has tiny little teeth that are supposed to hold in this drywall. And the drywall, you can actually crumble with your fingers. So if you've got these tiny little teeth and stuff you can crumble, then obviously with any type of resistance or pull, it's going to break loose. So what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of these, and then we're going to get some very strong anchors to use. Anytime you're working near a sink, make sure you close the drain, because if something falls down and goes down the drain, you're adding a lot more work to try to find it. Now what we've got is we've got this on, and it has a spot where an Allen wrench will remove the base. So we're going to take our Allen wrench, and I've already loosened it some, so spoiler alert, it works. We twist it out and the cover comes out. So our next step will be to remove these plastic pieces, and we're going to put in anchors that actually are like little butterflies. We close them up and put them through the wall like that, and then we have a special plunger that opens them, and they'll hold like that, and you won't be able to pull it out. You'll pull the whole wall down before you get these out. This brand is actually called Pop Toggles, and I'm just squeezing it hard enough to get it into the hole that's there, and then we just push it through, and once we get it far enough in, then we'll take the hammer and put it in the rest of the way. We want to tap it lightly so we don't put a big hole in the wall. So tap it until it seats. Our next step is to take this little thing that comes with Pop Toggles and put it in and push it, and it's going to be stiff, and you'll feel it snap like that. And what that does is that takes it and pushes it back out, and we'll do that again. And now it's ready for the screws. So what we're doing is we're using the same screws that came with the towel rack originally. And we've got our anchors in, and then we'll go ahead and put these in by finger first. Kind of get them lined up a little bit. And then we'll use our screwdriver to put them in. We're tightening these up with our screwdriver. We've got a little room up here on both sides, so we have a nice vertical line, and this is in the middle. And the next step is for us to go ahead and take our towel rack and put that in and use our Allen wrench to screw it up into this little well there, and that will give us a nice tight hold. As this gets tighter, you want to make sure that this is level, so you're actually where you want it to be and it's not hanging askew. Thanks for joining me. I look forward to hearing about your bathroom renovations. After filming, my daughter had a question about Pop Toggles, and I'll tell you exactly what I told her if you have a question. In the next couple weeks, we will be filming another video about anchors for walls, including Pop Toggles and some others, and we'll have a closer look at how they work. So join me for that soon.